What is a discovery offer? Tired of endless cold outreach? A discovery offer is your secret weapon. It's a low-risk, high-value mini service designed to solve a specific immediate problem for potential clients. Think of it as a compelling appetizer for your business. It's not a free pitch, it's a chance for them to experience your work firsthand, get a quick win, and see tangible results. This builds immediate trust and leaves them hungry for your main course. Why should I use a discovery offer for my business? Feeling like client acquisition is a constant battle? Traditional sales funnels can be complex and expensive, especially for small businesses. A discovery offer changes everything. It bypasses skepticism by giving value upfront, making prospects feel safe. They get to taste your expertise and see real results, turning who are you into you can help me. It makes the sales journey feel natural, not pushy, converting cold prospects into warm leads much faster. How do I create an irresistible discovery offer? Want clients to eagerly say yes? Crafting your discovery offer starts with understanding your ideal client's single biggest pain point. Your offer must solve that specific immediate problem. Keep it super clear and simple, delivering a quick, tangible win like a mini brand audit or a 15-minute clarity call. Make sure the perceived value is sky high. Whether it's free or low cost, that immediate aha moment is pure gold. Should my discovery offer be free or low cost? Not sure on the price point? It really depends. A free discovery offer can attract a large audience and quickly fill your pipeline, especially if your clients are super risk averse. But a low cost offer like $47 to $97 can effectively filter out tire kickers. A small investment signals commitment and often makes the perceived value higher. Choose the price that aligns with your offer's value and your target audience's readiness to invest. How do discovery offers turn strangers into paying clients? Ever wonder how to magically turn strangers into loyal clients? The discovery offer strategy is genius. It's all about building trust before asking for a big commitment. You give them a small, valuable taste of your experience, delivering a quick win. They experience your skill, see tangible results, and feel understood. This positive first interaction naturally bridges the gap, converting them into paying customers who already know and value what you do. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, follow and subscribe.